To cover the fourth point, we will be solving problem 9 from worksheet 5. We want to compare the average of the value of the inventory using two methods, FIFO and LIFO. Question A, we need to calculate the difference between the two methods. Question B, we calculate the average of the differences D bar, and we calculate SD, the standard deviation of the differences. Question C. Step 1. We state our hypothesis. We are claiming that there is no difference between the two methods, so the average of the differences would be different than 0, and this goes into H1, and the inverse would go into H0. In step 2, we calculate alpha, which is equal to 0.05, our level of significance. In step 3, we calculate T calculated. We use the fourth formula and we get a T calculated of 3.919. In step 4, we draw a normal curve with two tails. To get T critical, we need three information. Alpha is equal to 0.05, it is a two-tailed test, and the degree of freedom is equal n-1, which is equal to 3. We go to T table and we get a critical T of 3.182. If T calculated falls between minus 3.182 and 3.182, we do not reject H0, while if it is less than minus 3.182 or higher than 3.182, we reject H0. In our case, T calculated is higher than T critique, which leads us to reject H0. Another way to decide whether to reject H0 or not is to calculate p-value. To do that, we need the T table. We go to the corresponding row of the degree of freedom, which is 3. We place T calculated along that row. T calculated falls between 3.182 and 4.541. So p-value would fall between 0.01 and 0.025. P-value is less than alpha, so we have to reject H0. And this result is the same as the 5 steps hypothesis testing result.